Thank you for joining me on this journey, and my purpose is to help you create some rapid prototypes of augmented reality on your iPhone. So, I want to just show you a couple of examples of how augmented reality is being used right now. I found this video of a couple different companies that are putting together these apps to just change the way that augmented reality is being portrayed. So augmented reality is just pretty much a layer of virtual or digital on top of the real world, using either your camera on your phone or tablet, or on your webcam, and then also on glasses or headsets like the Meta 2 or the Microsoft HoloLens. You can pretty much use augmented reality to gamify uh, pretty much any image. So you can make people go on scavenger hunts. You can create games that are going to drive different types of behavior, just with different incentives, badges, leveling up, onboarding, and it just makes things a, a little or a lot more fun. And it's just a unique way to be different than just your competition. So, without further ado, I'm going to jump into the getting your app built on your iPhone as soon as possible. Here we go.